being a graffiti writer is taking the chances and shit, taking the risks, taking like all the arguments from the transit, from the police, from your own moms, you know, from your friends and shit. You know, you gotta take all that bullshit. You're vandalizing all those trains. I remember when Butch and Case was really bombing with Nice Whole Car, and Peanut and Tracy was king of the D's, and Kane 1 was really whole carring on the damn 7 line. Oh shit, those are brand new with the windows and all. That's the newest stuff I've seen.